Hey, Misty, Chris with Tameron Honda. This is the 2010 Odyssey. I apologize. Didn't know you wanted to look at this one as well, but anyways, no problem. And this is it right here, 2010 Odyssey EX, same package. It is silver in color, 2010. A few more miles on it, right at 147. It does have the DVD player on the inside of it. Power sliding doors as well. Said you load the DVD right there, and the DVD player's up top there. Gray interior, clean on the inside. Same package, just has a DVD player in it, and a few more miles. A little bit newer. Tires are in great condition as well. Give me a call, or you can text us. Let us know what works best for you. 205-826-4915. And when you get to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.